Hey everyone, Dr. Casey Schnabel here, and welcome back to Movement Every Day. Today I have an awesome video for you for the core series. It's going to be a Romanian deadlift, a single leg Romanian deadlift with an alternating overhead press. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, we're going to have a Bosu ball and we're going to flip it upside down. Okay, you're going to grab some weights which you can control, and you're going to want to put your foot in the center of that Bosu ball. And what we're going to do is you're going to come up and start to balance, okay? Just get your balance, play around, because this is already hard enough as it is. Remember, creating that unstable surface. This is, again, going to have to engage your core to really keep you stable. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start to do a single leg RDL while maintaining a good posture, and you're going to come up and you're going to alternate with the overhead press. You're going to go back down, really squeezing that glute on that left side. It's going to be really engaged. You're going to now do the opposite overhead press. Notice my back, I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible. I'm really trying to lift up that opposite leg to keep everything in a neutral position. And then I'm doing the alternating overhead press. Now, of course, this is pretty difficult, believe it or not. If you don't want to do it on the Bosu, just do it on the ground. Start getting that, because that's already hard enough. But again, this is a very hard version of it. Try it. You can obviously increase the weights on the overhead press, again, making it more difficult. Have fun with this one. It's a real glute burner, hamstring burner on that side that you're using it, because you're just stabilizing it. You're just all over the place because you're trying to keep everything tight. Good core burner as well, so enjoy. Like always, guys, go over to that Facebook page, that Instagram, and that YouTube channel, Movement Every Day, and smash that like button, comment, share all these videos, show your friends and family, because I hope that this stuff can reach a lot of people, and so they can start to exercise differently and start to really strengthen their core. Like always, guys, remember, movement is everything, and movement is life.